Hi there, folks. It's Jonathan Denwood here from WP-Tonic, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about what are some of the best topics, the best areas to build a membership website, a membership-focused business in 2024. It's a really important subject. I've got some great insights, I feel. I'll be back in a few moments, folks. Coming back, folks. So, what are some of the best subject ideas, the best categories to build an online membership business in? Well, before I go into some specific ideas, I want to point out I've written a really fantastic article. You find the link in the video description underneath, folks. You can also download a free PDF that gives you all the insights you need to start your membership website on the WP-Tonic website. Now, I think number one is one of the biggest mistakes that we regularly see people make at WP-Tonic is choosing too broad a category, a topic. Example, business. There are enormous opportunities in the area of business when it comes to online training courses and membership. But the reality is that you've got to find a real niche in this broad category. Just saying, and it would be the same with a YouTube channel. If you just do business videos, unless you're a extremely well-known personality that has a track record around business consultation and discussion, that has a great podcast, that has been a guest on a number of television shows, that's written a number of books on the subject. Just having a YouTube channel about business, the likelihood of you getting any traction and any audience is rather low, in my opinion. Not impossible, but not that probable either. Now, if you find a niche in the business broad category to focus on, let's just take an example. I'm just taking it straight out of my mind. Shopify, a great SaaS-based platform. If you started, you got any experience in building Shopify websites for yourself or for clientele, if you've got any marketing knowledge about how you can help individuals who have built a Shopify website, an e-commerce business, about how you market yourself online, how you get any traffic to your Shopify website, what are some of the best add-on services for your Shopify website, if you can get guests, if you can provide any information about Shopify around that, you stand a chance then of building a membership website and offering more detailed information at a discount price compared to one-to-one consultation. And I think you stand a really good chance of building a good business there, and a business that could be highly profitable. The same could apply to WooCommerce as well, if you've got that experience. So can you see, I think I've made a really clear example of a broad topic that, unless you've got a very strong previous audience, it is very unlikely that you're going to successfully be able to launch a membership site. But the other side is focusing on a niche subject in the broad category of business that you can be really successful in. Now, let's take another very broad category, health and wellness. There is enormous interest in health and wellness. like I say, exactly the same as the business category, unless you have a well-established, recognizable audience. Let's use the term your own tribe. It is very unlikely in the broad term of wellness that you're going to be able to build a successful membership website. On the other hand, with a very much smaller audience, if you find a niche in the wellness sector, the chances of you being successful, I feel, it's very likely you can be successful. Now, I think, let's take wellness for pregnant ladies. Um, how do you keep yourself fit during your pregnancy? I wouldn't know because I'm a man. But I think for a subsection of women that are into wellness and fitness, the ability, what you would normally do, I think you've got a lot of questions around that subject. I think having a channel around that subject and providing information and providing a course that and a community when a lady's going through her pregnancy or pregnancies, and also bolting on other courses around fitness and wellness when the first 2 to 3 years of having children is a niche, a very broad niche, but a niche that you can be really highly successful in. I don't want this video to be too long. I think I've given two clear examples about finding a niche in a broad category. Like I said at the beginning of this video, I've written a really detailed article. You find the link in the video description that gives you a load of other kind of these niches based on broad categories, and it really gives you some great ideas. Plus, there's other resources on the WP-Tonic website that can help you build your membership website. I think that should be on WordPress because it gives you the most digital sovereignty and digital ownership, which is really important in building an online business. Not relying on other platforms too much is a great idea, and I would highly advise you to have that kind of attitude about the platform that you're going to build your business on. If you found this video helpful, and hopefully you have, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It really does tell YouTube that I'm doing a reasonable job, and it really encourages me to make more of these videos. I'll see you soon, folks. Bye.